Susan Ansari, alongside with my co-counsel, Kristen Shaw.
Good evening, Your Honor.
And Hunter Bell.
Good evening, Your Honor.
We represent Riley Winter in today's case.
Good evening.
Good evening. My name is Monique Alawa, along with my co-counsel, Mr. Stephen Smith.
Hello, Your Honor.
Ms. Talia Tebbencott.
Good evening, Your Honor.
We represent TBD Incorporated in today's case, who is here today in trial, represented by their CEO, Sawyer Shaw. Your Honor, today we have no pre-trial matters. We're ready to move to opening statements.
All right.
Today, some things are not being disputed. So what we have to prove to you today is that Mr. Winter was fired because of his age. Members of the jury, the evidence is going to speak for itself. Now, when you're looking at the evidence in today's case, when you're looking at evidence in a case like this one of discrimination, you have to look at some of the little things, like comments, because it's not so blatant. People don't make things such as discrimination, which is a mindset, blatant. So you have to look at the comments and the jokes that you're going to hear about today, and you have to give them due weight.
As the burden of proof lies right here on the table of the plaintiff. And they have quite a lot to prove today, ladies and gentlemen. They must prove through what is called a preponderance of the evidence, meaning that it is simply more likely than not that age was the but-for cause of the plaintiff's termination of employment at TBD. Meaning that if the plaintiff had written that same unacceptable article criticizing TBD's largest advertiser and had been a younger age than 50, say 29, that he would still have his job.
Sure. Good afternoon. My name is Riley Birmingham Winter.
Where do you live, Mr. Winter?
Well, I was originally born in Tottenham, which is the southeastern parts of London, but I currently live in Fairview Midlands. It was 2013, beginning of January, when Sawyer Shaw bought TBD. Well, Sawyer put between Jurassic Worlds, the film, and Riley Winter's recent success, it's been a great summer for dinosaurs. And the tagline is not dead yet.
Now, you're suing TBD for 15 years. Are you here telling this jury you don't think you'll be able to work 3 years from now?
No, when you've been working for so long and you're deep-rooted in something that you love, and then you let go because you're simply too old to do it anymore, you don't think that you're going to be able to do anything. So, no, I don't think that I would be able to.
You don't think you'll be able to get a job in the next decade?
I don't know what the next decade holds.
You don't think you'll be able to get a job in the next 15 years?
I'm 51 years old, you know, there's not much time left for me to be working, so to speak, so.
And I can't say for certain, but it's my professional opinion that this is a case of out with the old and in with the new. And for these reasons, I had to give TBD an X for this last step as well.
So you didn't feel the need to have anyone else review Mr. Winter. I understand you're the only psychiatrist at your practice, but you didn't feel the need to have anyone else from outside practices meet with Mr. Winter?
Well, after I diagnosed Riley Winter with PTSD, I did recommend him to a couple colleagues at Mount Sinai University, Dr. Seinfeld and Dr. Newman. They're the ones who are going towards his treatment. I work more towards diagnosis.